Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your app module and locating the theme resource files. This is where Toolbar color is defined. Once the themes XML is visible, make a quick backup so you can revert if needed. You will edit color and theme attributes, not the layout. Make sure you identify styles, XML or themes. XML variants, night/light, so changes behave correctly across modes. Now you edit colors. XML to add or change the color primary value, naming it clearly. Once done, open themes. XML and set item name equals color primary at color/your color/item inside your app theme. If you use material components, ensure the theme parent extends theme. Material components. Asterisk so the attribute is respected. Make sure you update both light and night theme. Finally, rebuild and run the app to confirm the toolbar uses the new color. If you are using a toolbar widget, make sure it inherits the theme or uses. Add or /color primary directly, otherwise update its style. If changes don't appear, clear app data or uninstall and reinstall to avoid cached values. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the view hierarchy with Layout Inspector to verify which theme or style is actually applied at runtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.